Struggling to organize your files? Easily organize them with Dropshelf. Hello and welcome to the channel. Dropshelf is a tool designed to assist you in organizing your files. It allows you to stash and hold trackable content, enabling you to easily move or copy them to their intended destinations. In this video, I'll share some valuable tips, shortcuts, and settings to enhance your Dropshelf experience. We'll also explore practical use cases where Dropshelf can be best utilized. Dropshelf is simple and easy to use. You can open a shelf by either shaking your mouse cursor or using the Windows Shift Z shortcut. Plus, you can create a new shelf from your clipboard with Windows Shift X. Shelves can hold files, folders, documents, images, videos, audio files, URLs, web images, and even text snippets. You have the option to create a shelf and hide it away for future use. To access your saved shelves, simply click on the tray icon. These shelves can be customized with a name and color, but these features are locked behind a one-time purchase of $329, alongside getting rid of the 3-second timeout between shelf interactions and to support future development. Dropshelf looks good. It's designed with Windows 11 in mind and features smooth animations. You can set Dropshelf to copy files by default instead of moving them, and you can change the default placement of a new shelf from near the mouse pointer to a location on the screen, such as the right edge or top right corner. You also have the option of customizing the shelf color, shortcut keys, and mouse cursor shake sensitivity. Dropshelf also works with the Files app. If the app is not working for you, try the solutions I've linked in the description. Now let's explore some practical scenarios where Dropshelf is best utilized. Those who work with lots of files, like photographers and video editors, will benefit greatly from using this tool. It makes sure you keep your project folder clean and organized right from the start. Quick tip: if you want to copy files instead of moving them, hold the Control key before dragging. And if you want to move instead of copy, hold the Shift key before dragging. If you consume content online, you can easily go through an article or while researching, collecting notes, links, and pictures. This is better than the regular way of copying notes and pasting in Notion or any other app, and then doing that again and again, or copying all the notes to the clipboard and pasting one by one. Note: if you plan to drop your notes into an app like Notion, it's recommended to right-click and copy them first. This is because in most cases dragging the notes directly into Notion may not work properly. Also, if you want to save images from an article, it's recommended to save them in a separate shelf from the text snippets, and then copying them instead of directly dropping them into the app. If you do sound design, you can collect different sound clips from Soundly, for example, to make a new sound effect. In this case, I'm making a riser followed by a hit. You can store these items in Dropshelf's history for future use, or import them directly into your editing software. I think the main benefit of Dropshelf for me is that it promotes file organization from the moment I download a file. Instead of downloading a bunch of files and filling up my downloads folder, which can get messy, Dropshelf encourages me to categorize them right from the start. Here's an example to illustrate. Imagine I have projects on cats and dogs, and I need to download videos, pictures, and sound effects for each. So I download some videos, then some pictures and sound effects. Later, I go back for more videos and pictures. My downloads folder would quickly become a mess. To organize them, I'd have to go through the tedious process of selecting files of the same category and then moving them to the right folders one by one. With Dropshelf, it's much simpler. I download the videos, drag it to the shelf, close the shelf, download the pictures, open a new one, drag them to the shelf, and so on. In the end, I'm left with a bunch of files that are already categorized, and all I need to do is move them to their appropriate folders. Note: if you want to stash online content, I recommend downloading them first, because in most cases, dragging and dropping won't work. Otherwise, you will only drag a link. In a nutshell, Dropshelf makes you focus on one thing at a time. Collect then organize, or collect then paste, and promotes file organization and makes it easier. That's it for today's video. If it was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to learn more about must-have Windows apps, click on this video.